Welcome to the project demonstration of smart way to control the bulb intensity using Blink application. So here we are using IoT Blink application so that we can control the bulb intensity from anywhere in the world just by sliding this. That is 0 to 4. So here we are controlling that total 5 levels 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that input from the Blink application given to the PIC16F73 microcontroller by using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So it will receive the data from the application as we have coded with API key inside this microcontroller so that these two will be communicated every time. So before switching on the kit, as we need to provide the hotspot and data to the system, then it will start reading input from the Blink app. So once you do the operation sliding, for example, I kept it at 0. So the 0 number will be sent from the module to the PIC16F73 microcontroller, and based on the input we are going to control the bulb intensity. So to control that intensity, then we need one input and one output. So the one input is from the zero crossing detector, and next triac. So triac is the output and zero crossing detector is the input one. So when we provided the 0 inputs, so then the microcontroller will switch off the triac directly. When we keep the input from the 4 highest level, then it will allow the maximum of duration current. Means using the PWM technique, we are going to control the on time on this triac board. So when we need to on nothing but whenever the positive waveform of AC signal crosses the 0, then only the microcontroller on the triac. For negative off cycle, it's keep on off only. So in order to intimate the microcontroller when it has to on and till how much of time it has to on. So as we know that we are providing 50 Hz of frequency AC signal voltage, and 50 Hz nothing but each pulse, nothing but each frequency of positive off cycle and negative off cycle will take 20 milliseconds. In that 10 milliseconds is the on time, 10 milliseconds is the off time. So the controller has to know when that positive off cycle is starting. So that will be informed by the zero crossing detector. The name itself describes zero crossing. So it has the DB107 full wave rectifier and resistors to potential divider circuits, and then a transistor to provide the trigger inputs whenever the positive waveform starts. So that was given to the B0 pin, and C6, C7 connected to the ESP8266 module, and C3 pin connected to the triac with help of optically isolated diac. And next, this is the regulator power supply board. It has the 4 stages. One is a step down and rectification, and next filtration and regulation. After that we will get the 5 volts DC power supply, and this transformer to provide the AC signal to the zero crossing detector. So directly we are providing 230 volts AC input to this one. So let us see demonstration. Before switching on the kits, enable the hotspot with the name of project 4879. So change the hotspot name to right on the hotspot. So set up the hotspot name to project 4879 and the password should be 129. So after that enable the hotspot and data also. So right, 1 second. Right, so after enable the hotspot and data, then on the system. So there we can see the once the device got switched on, then we can see the device was connected in your mobile phone. So once you on the system, just hold the reset switch. So the device come to online. Right, the light dimmer connected. So when you see this message in the Blink application, then you can release the switch, or else after seeing the message you can restart the system. So why? Because after connecting the system only, the system will read the input from the Blink app. So now level 1, level 2, level 3 and highest level directly. So you can control like. So when you release the button, the slider, then automatically the intensity will set in the bulb end. Right. So the main important thing is you're not supposed to change any character in the project 4879 and the password 129. That's very important. If you change that, then the system won't respond. Right.